Up next, the 1/25th scale Revell 32 Ford 3-window coupe finale. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Revell 1/25th scale 32 Ford 3-window coupe. This is actually my first car in about 39 years. I haven't built one since I was about 10 years old. That was a glue bomb and that got blown up afterwards. So let's not take up too much of your time today because it is New Year's Eve. Let's talk a little bit about the car before we get into the little spinny action where I show you the car up close. The car, not great. Not bad. It's an in-between car. The biggest gripe I have about this car is all of the mold lines and injector pin marks. If I would have cleaned that up, it would have taken me at least a few weeks to get all of that perfect. The other problems with it are the cross member over here to hold on the lights. This was too short, so I actually had to kind of put it where it would sit and it doesn't fit in the two holes over there. Couldn't do anything about that. Also, the rear of the car, it doesn't sit flat. It didn't meet up with the rear fenders over here. When it goes around, you'll see the driver's side is a little higher than the passenger side, and if I put it up to light, you can see light shining through. The black on black makes it look a little bit better and you can't even see it. And then the other major thing that I had a problem with was the front window is too short. At the bottom, it doesn't sit right. One half kind of sits there. I tried filling it in with canopy glue to make it look good, but that didn't work and I had to get all that out with a toothpick. The good points, it's a good looking car when it's finished. It goes together fairly well. It did beat me at some points and I beat it at some point, so I'm calling this build a draw. I'm just very happy that I got this build done and it looks nice. And I want to thank everybody for their suggestions on leaving the car with the satin finish on top and the gloss finish on the fenders. Now here's a key thing. If you see a fingerprint or a cat hair in this build, that's a signature Kenny Conklin move. There's always something wrong with the paint or something like that. I just build for fun. I love this build, and you know what? Enough yammering out of me. Let's get this thing going so I can show you the final build. So that's it on this 32 Ford. Again, I really like how it came out, especially for my first car in almost 39 years, or probably 39 years. I will be building more cars, and I want to thank the community for their encouragement during the build and their suggestions during the build, especially you car guys that helped me out. You're going to see more of these cars. So get ready. This is the last build for, obviously, 2021. We're going to be moving into 2022 on a helicopter build and a whole bunch of group builds. If you haven't yet, come over to HobbyLinkInternational.com. You can check out all of our group builds. Next up from me, Kelly, Kenny Jr., and the HLI staff, we hope you all have a great new year, prosperous, healthy, all that good jazz, and hopefully we see you building a lot of models. I'm going to try to build a lot more, and I also want to thank you guys for sticking with me for the past 2.5 to 3 years with the moving and not being able to build a lot and all the reviews and stuff like that. So I'm not going to take up any more of your time. I hope you and your families have a happy and healthy new year. Take care, and bye-bye.